Hello! Take out lang tayo sa KFC. Order lang tayo guys. Wait lang guys ha. Cover lang. Cover. Take out. Take out. Wait tayo sa pastas. Ay, hindi yan. Ang tawag nun? Chicken. Where's chicken? Guys, mashed potato. Mashed potato, large tayo. Add to cart, mash. Finish shopping. Add one. And then where's macaroni?
Pero kung gusto yung inasal, okay lang din. Pero
macaroni, where is macaroni? Ito pa rin. Walang macaroni ah. Chicken tayo. Tara natin chicken.
hindi ko mahanap, wala nga.
Where's chicken? Ito. Meals for 2. Wala yung ito, favorites tayo. Try natin favorites. Favorites. Oh, ito a la carte. Oh, a la carte. Oh. Wow. Ito na lang, 1 piece chicken. Ito na lang. 1 piece chicken. Uy, ayaw. Ito. Yun, add to cart pala. Add to cart. Yun. Add to cart. Okay. 1 lang. Add to cart. Tapos, where is macaroni? Macaroni, where are you? Walang macaroni guys. Walang macaroni. Ito here. Walang macaroni. Macaroni, where are you macaroni? Walang macaroni guys. Wala. Sige. Your card 2. Proceed to payment. 190. Proceed to payment. Cash. Send order. Okay. Thank you. Here.